Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another collab, and this one is really interesting. I was really excited to participate because I have never done one with my DIY items, but I stumbled through it, and one of my friends, Nadia, she kind of referred me to it and encouraged me to do it. So there's both ladies that are hosting the collab are fairly new to my channel, but I did check them out, and I really like how the channel looks and what they do, and they have a bunch of amazing items they create. So let's talk about the collab. The collab is the host is according to Kat, and her co-host is Coffee with My Sunshine. So I link both of those ladies down below. Please don't forget to go check their channel out and their video on the collab. And this was an open collab. That's why I joined. So the purpose of the collab was to create 3 items that are from a similar material or similar things they have in common. So I used for all my 3 items are discs. It's reusable, whatever, we pretty much don't use those anymore, and I have a bunch of blank ones, so I use these things for all of my 3 items. Okay, so let me demonstrate you all my items, and then you can go after I show you everything and see how I made them. Okay, the first item was a coaster for my cup, and I picked the colors because it's the Ukraine colors, kind of the yellow and blue. So I made this little piece, and I was gonna find the sunflowers because sunflowers is a national flower of Ukraine, but I couldn't find it. So as you guys know, I was born and raised in Ukraine. But anyway, I do have a cup from my city where I was born, and I made an amazing coaster for this amazing cup. Okay, this is item number 1. Item number 2, I made an organizer for my pencils. Aren't they great? Let me see so I can show you how they are. So, and again, it is from the CDs, the base of it. So then you use whatever you have. So then I made this little thing that you can hang, or you can I'm gonna hang it in my little kind of like stationery I have on my desk. Anyway, so this is item number 2 from the CD or discs as well. And the last item, I kind of made it in a patriotic way because I had the material, so I really enjoy it. Anyway, it's a napkin holder. Let me show you. This is what you pull out. So then you put it right back. Okay, so those are 3 items that I created from the blank discs because I have a bunch of them. Anyway, if you would like to know how I made them, please continue watching. Okay, so let's get started with this project. So for this one, we need a piece of material. Doesn't matter what you can use anything. I just have this. So then 2 CDs, blank. Mine has a blank because I got a bunch of them. You can use the old ones that you're not using. Then a couple of kind of like beads necklaces. That was my old ones. So this is what I'll use to decorate. Some stickers, a pencil, a little thing to stir, some glue, scissors, and the glue gun. So that's all we need. So now we're gonna start working on it, and I will be showing you what I'm doing. Okay, for this project, we'll need 2 pieces of felt, couple of decorations. I got a couple from whatever the project I have left over. 1 CD, a thread. You can use any colors you want, and of course scissors, a pen, and a glue gun. So now let's get to work. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I just went around. You can do any different stitches if you like, but I kind of like it like that. So now I will put these decorations on, and that's how I want it to be, like that. And I will use my hot glue to place them in and secure them. That. And that. And the coaster is ready. So now we're just gonna use the cup Okay, so for this we need 3 different pieces of felt. You can use any colors you want. A CD kind of thing that we will put it around it like that. And I got some stickers to decorate it, an organizer, and a glue gun. So that's pretty much all you need, and of course the scissors. Now let's work on this. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope I did an okay job and you liked it. Maybe you would like to recreate, maybe it was something useful for you, but I do use all three things and I'm really glad I participated in it. So thank you so much, Kat, for creating this collab. I'm glad I found it, and I'm glad my friend Nadia told me about it. So I was really excited to create all those items. Anyway, so there are several of us, I think. I don't know how many people are participating, but according to Kat's channel, on a community tab, there is a playlist with all the people that participated. So if you guys want to see more DIY, more ideas, or something to create for the home, please go to according to Kat channel and click on the community tab, and there's a playlist that you can just enjoy and watch more DIY. But as for me, that was all for today. Again, I'm really happy I participated. Thank you so much. If you're one of my new people, please don't forget to click subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. If you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much, and I'll see you in the next one really soon. Bye.